Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable the night mode on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin. So first of all we want to go to the settings and then we want to scroll down a little until we'll find display and touch. Now we want to scroll down and here we should see a night light. As you can see currently it will never turn on, so let's click it and let's enable it right here.
And now, as you can see, we have a very cool light that's perfect for nighttime using. We can also go to the schedule option in order to customize the schedule, so we can customize it that it will automatically activate itself on a custom time or only from the sunset to the sunrise. And also we can bump up the intensity to very stupid amounts. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it was useful,
remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!